Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself for divine in the flesh, where our PTSDs, our pains, traumas, suffering, and dramas are golden gateways to waking up and staying awake, where together we learn how to navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience in this perception-managed reality, having discovered that our true divine creative natures in our true sensual sensorial world of seven senses have all been hijacked and dumbed down into the big fat lie and limitations of five sense reality. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, selecting the all settings so that when I upload, the YouTube will let you know. I generally upload videos Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest light, your bestest and brightest selves, inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider still. Hello, darlings. How's everybody doing? Welcome to episode 44, a continuation of our ongoing conversation regarding the tools and techniques and processes of doing the great work, the great inner work of journaling and burning. And as promised, I share my deeply personal goals process in this part 2 video of the greatest self-clearing process ever. Okay, so first step being writing down and declaring your intended goals. So first, my intended goals, which were inspired by the latest backdrop of our collective worldly dramas, you know, the shit show going on. So this is what I came up with in my new intention. I want to be loved and treated with kindness and respect. I want to thrive, express, and share my creativity, engage new practices that help maintain my healthy, youthful, and energetic body, and live in beauty and peaceful harmony with my environment, with humanity, the planet, and the world. Okay? So after we declare our goals, write them down, the next step is we list out our gifts and attributes that will support and allow for the materialization, manifestation, fruition of the goals. Okay, so here's my list. I am smart, I am awake and self-aware, I am organized. I follow through with what I intend. I deliver. I keep my promises. I follow up. I'm super responsible, super reasonable. I am dependable. I'm honest, trustworthy. I'm the smartest person I know. I'm straightforward, a straight shooter. I'm hardworking. I'm passionate. I'm resourceful. I am creative and expressive. I'm intuitive. I see beyond normal reality. I'm playful. I have a great sense of humor. I'm easygoing, I'm super positive, I'm empathic and compassionate, I take the high road, I see the good in people. I see people's gifts even if they don't. I'm generous, I'm forgiving, I'm magnetic, I'm magnanimous, I'm kind, I'm forthright, I'm loving, I'm heart-based. I'm the perfect mix of left brain, right brain synchronization. I'm clear. I am a deep, critical, logical thinker. I'm a doer. I'm helpful. I'm a big picture person and detailed oriented. I'm very calm. I'm grounded. I'm physically fit and healthy. People feel safe around me. I have lots of energy. I'm youthful. I'm wise. I'm accomplished. I've accomplished everything I've intended. I know how to rock my life. I'm inspirational, I'm multifaceted, multi-talented, I'm successful, I thrive even in adversity. I'm great with money, I'm a fantastic manifester, my thought quality is top-notch, I'm great at self-care, I know how to take care of people, I'm nurturing, I have good boundaries, I don't take any shit, I'm honorable. I have a strong moral compass. I easily cut through bullshit. I cut to the chase. I'm open-minded. I am practical. I'm a great strategist. I'm not a flake. I'm not a snowflake. I'm not ruled by my emotions. I'm not impulsive. I do not have an addictive personality. I admit that I am wrong and I apologize. I am decisive. I'm supportive of others. I am empowered. I am empowering of others. I create and share solutions. I am inclusive. I am brave and courageous. I easily speak my mind. I'm real, warts and all. I am transparent. What you see is what you get. I am a great bridger and community builder. I am entrepreneurial. I'm attractive. I have positive energy. I have lots of energy. I see through the veils. I walk in and out of multiple realities readily and easily. I know right from wrong. I am constantly learning and reading about new things. I love mastering new skills. I am ballsy. I face up to things. I think out of the box. I'm industrious. I'm appreciative and thankful for all that I have. I'm prosperous. I'm a magnet for awesome. I live my bestest life. Okay, so those are all of my attributes that I was able to connect to that will absolutely allow me to materialize and manifest my goals. Okay, so the next thing that we do is we make a list of all of our attributes and gifts, or not so much gifts that will absolutely hurt and sabotage and fuck up the materialization, manifestation of any intended goals. Okay, here we go. I'm controlling. I am combative. I am bossy. I'm dictatorial. I am domineering. I can be an authoritarian dickhead. I'm suffocating. I can be over the top dramatic. I'm snooty. I am bougie. I can be ghetto and trashy. I'm always right. I'm arrogant. I'm a know-it-all geek. I am rude. I'm elitist. I'm impolite. I play dumb sometimes. I'm didactic. I'm nihilistic. I'm fatalistic. I can be a negative Debbie Downer. I'm cynical. I'm bratty. I'm intolerant. I can be objectifying. I'm sexist. I'm ornery. I'm moody. I am inconsiderate. I can be inconsolable. I am hard to please. I'm a pain in the ass. I can be angst and anxiety-ridden. I'm petty. I think I'm special. I think I'm better than everyone else. I am dismissive. I'm judgmental. I am cutting. I can be insulting and short. I ghost people when I'm disappointed by them. I can willfully ignore at will. I am condescending. I'm irritable. I can be tyrannical. I can be crude with my potty mouth. I can be offensive. I can be a doormat. I trust the wrong people. I don't trust people I should. I am a contrarian. I can be blaming. I can be shaming. I'm willful. I can be retaliatory. I can be territorial. I can be self-loathing. I can be whiny. I can be destructive. I'm stubborn. I'm obstinate. I can be materialistic. I can be indignant. I'm haughty. I'm uptight. I'm loud. I'm obnoxious. I can be a doubting Thomas. I can get caught up in outing evil. I can be vindictive. I'm resentful. I'm argumentative. I'm overly confident. I can be unsure and waffle. I can be obtuse. I can be depressing. I can be a sad sack for days on end. I'm paranoid. I can hold a grudge. I'm a provocateur. I'm a troublemaker. I'm an asshole. I can be an emasculating fucking bitch. I can be cunty. I will get even. I seek vengeance for others. I can make others wrong. I can be violent. I can be brutally frank and hurtful on purpose. I can be belligerent. I have anger issues. I am a rager. I want to fight. I feel like hitting people sometimes. I play devil's advocate. I push people's buttons. People bore the fuck out of me. I'm disinterested. I get tired. I want to give up. I want to say fuck this shit, and I want to check out. I hate the world. I hate people sometimes. I don't believe in the good of the universe or humans. I'm skeptical. I'm suspicious. I hate liars. I think the world is run by evil demons and psychopaths. I get caught up in doom and gloom. I sometimes believe evil will always win, so what's the fucking point? People only want to use me for my resources, for what I know. I believe in the worst of people. I'm gullible. I am needy of attention. I'm demanding. I'm cutthroat. I'm defensive. I'm hostile. I'm a bully. I can be a doormat as well. I'm naive. I'm crazy. I believe in nothing good. I'm superior. I'm inferior. I'm insensitive. I'm aloof. I am competitive. I'm codependent. I'm dysfunctional. I'm too nice. I put up with way too much bullshit. I'm exacting. I am unforgiving. I will take you out and take you down if you fuck with me. I'm a victim. I'm physically aggressive. I can be too passive. I let people get away with shit. I'm smarter than most everyone. My fuck you, fuck off attitude is strong. Whoa. Okay. These lists, this round of self-clearing, well, this was really hard for me to face this time around. And I've done hybrid versions of this process many, many, many times over the course of the last 30 plus years and over the course of my own personal growth and evolution. I've made the false assumption that processing gets easier and easier as I get older. I'm over 60, but honestly, that's not necessarily true, especially when I'm processing through rough patches where there's obviously a tipping point in human consciousness, and it is of great importance to me. I spent a few days and then a day in total isolation, reviewing my lists and owning my stuff, crying and journaling. I did a bunch of punching and kicking of my 100-pound workout bag, and I did a bunch of squares, polarity, journaling, burning exercises. If you notice, my lists were very much polar opposites, indicating to me that I have all these qualities within me, and that much of my great inner work is about integrating these attributes and moving into neutral position so as to not get my ass caught up in the pendulum swings of extremes and it's sort of whirly, twirly spinning out of control. So after I made friends with my lists, I took the next step and I recited this prayer aloud, intending the following. Mother, Father, God, Essence, Great Spirit, all that is, I recognize my polarized states as expressed through my qualities of light and dark, that they have existed in my mind and ego patterning. I offer them up and ask that they are merged into a place of oneness and clarity so that I may see more clearly who I really am and that I may live my highest truth and bring forth my most beloved intentions and life goals. I ask this with an appreciation, knowing that my prayer has already been answered. My goals materialize, realized, and manifested, and so it is. In the face of what's happening in our aggregate collective world reality, my loves, I highly recommend all of you to undertake this deep work. It is the perfect way to check yourself, to check your self-importance and arrogance on the one hand, and its opposite of self-depreciation and insecurities. That way, when we come into neutral, we don't project that shit out onto others. All right? You are going to be required to make time, and as I said in our last video, block out 48 to 72 hours to truly complete this process. So do plan your time accordingly. Make sure you have good food, your good favorite treats, water, blankets, pillows, your journals. Create a beautiful space with incense and candles and nice lighting and talismans and crystals available to help support your process. I want you to turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off your phone, all social media. Be only available fully for yourself only. And I know those of you who have children, you probably gonna need to plan for childcare or perhaps schedule it at another time. You're going to need to utilize all 7 of your senses. And when you feel tired, I want you to take a break and rest, take naps and baths, move your body with gentle exercise, get some fresh air, journal your process. This process is the ultimate in self-love and self-care. And once again, I'm going to list below the steps in the description box. Okay, my love bugs, that's it. We're going to continue on with this. I'm going to tell you about what unravels because this is new. So we're going to be able to keep track of me, keep track of each other. So that is my speech. I trust that this is helpful and blesses you all with hope and clarity and compassion for the dancing of the light and the dark within you, within all of us, particularly during this important time where the powers that want to be and their war for our consciousness, collective and individual, through their divide and conquer agenda, such that we turn against one another, they are on. They've doubled down. Okay, so let's all do the great work, the inner and outer great work, and collectively tell these demonic lower astral plane entity motherfuckers to fuck off. We're not going to give in to what it is that they want for us. All right, my loves, we're going to continue this conversation about the great work and learning how to invoke and activate our superpowers of focus, master our creative energies, materialize, manifest reality so that we can all rock our worlds on our terms, regardless of the circumstance, regardless of the powers that want to be and the world at large. So please do give this video a thumbs up. Comment about your experiences in the comments boxes below or in private. And please share this video with your communities, friends, and family members and social media platforms with whom you feel would benefit from this content. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that the YouTube will let you know when we upload next. And if you find value, enjoy, or benefit from my videos and content, won't you please consider supporting my work through a donation? My PayPal link is right below, as is my contact information, as well as where you can email me with any questions. Give me a week or two to respond. You can also query about how to work with me one-on-one, doing any trauma release work, or train with me. My Streamline Energy Mastery course is now available for a private one-on-one download via Skype or Zoom. Or you can learn direct from me how to become a trauma-based mind control deactivator, or find out how you can receive a free download of the first edition of my book, Effed Wide Open, The Rude Awakening of the Heart-Based New Humanity. Or you can support me directly by purchasing one of my editions. The Amazon links are also below, along with my social media contact, where you can connect with me directly. I thank you all so much for your participation and focused attention. I really do appreciate it. So until next time, be the love that you are. Share your love. Be creative. Be kind. Be helpful. Be safe. Be generous. Notice the beauty that already surrounds you and the beauty and goodness you already have and are. Here's to love, truth, and beauty, my lovey doves. Mwah!